Hello students, today I am here with the second chapter of your book Supplementary Reader, and the name of the chapter is The Thief Story. As you can see by the name that this is a story of a thief, and he himself is narrating his story, that what happened, what he did, all these things he is narrating himself. And one more thing, this chapter is by Ruskin Bond, so we will see what's there in the chapter. So actually, this is a story of two different people. So, there is a thief who is 15 years old, okay, and another person is Anil, who is 25 years old. So actually, Anil was watching a wrestling match when thief approached him. जब उसके पास thief जाता है तो Anil was watching a wrestling match. Okay, he was a tall and slim man. Okay, and the thief found him very simple man. Okay, and he was looking for such kind of person. Actually, the problem with thief was that he had not robbed any person for a long time. बहुत time से उसने चोरी नहीं की थी. That's why he was looking for a simple man, who was easy going, जो easy going हो. So he found him simple, and now he was perfect for his purpose. So the thief started to talk with Anil, and they talked about wrestlers and all these things, and after that Anil asked his name, and the thief told Hari Singh is my name, but he lied, वो झूठ बोला था. Actually he was a thief, that's why he used to hide his real identity from the police and from the other people. That's why he used to take new name every month. Okay, after all this, after this all, Anil, then the thief asked Anil that can you give me some work to do, but Anil said that I don't have much money to pay you, that's why I cannot give you work. But the thief was not ready to accept it. He wanted to go his home, that's why he asked another question, that can you feed me? And at this Anil asked that can you cook, can you do you know how to cook? But again the thief lied that yes, I know how to cook, because he wanted to go his home, to go with him. That's why he was lying and lying and lying. Okay, he said that yes, I can cook. So now Anil was ready. Okay, so come with me, I can feed you. So after that, they came at Anil's room. It was over Jamna street shop. Okay, so that night the thief, now his name was Hari Singh. Okay, we will say him Hari Singh. So Hari Singh, prepared the meal that night, but as we know that he lied that he knew how to cook. That's why the food was not tasty, and Anil didn't eat it, and he gave it to the dog. And he said to the thief, to Hari Singh, that I will teach you how to cook, and how to read and write, how to make sentences, and how to add numbers. All these things I will teach you. Okay, so that thief was enjoying working for Anil. He was enjoying all these things. Actually, he used to make tea in the morning for him, and then he used to go to market for buying groceries and all. But one more thing, he used to save 1 rupee per day. This was his savings. Okay, and आगे देखते हैं. So actually the source of Anil's earning was not regular. Anil कोई means regularly earn नहीं करता था. Okay, it was occasionally कभी कभी कमा लेता था. So like it was like he used to borrow 1 week and then lend it the next week. And he used to keep worrying about his next check, that when will my salary come. And as soon as it arrived, the salary arrived, he used to go out and celebrate and spend all the money. Okay, and he used to write for magazines also. It was also another way for earning. So one evening what happened, Anil brought some money at home. Okay, and he said that I sold a book to a publisher, that's why it is that money. And Hari Singh saw him when he was putting the money under the mattress. That time Hari Singh saw him. Actually he had been working for Anil for almost a month. Now 1 month has been completed, and he was saving only 1 rupee per day, and apart from that he was not stealing anything, he was not earning anything. Okay, although he had opportunity for doing so, because Anil had given him the key to the door, okay, and he could come and go as he pleased, जब मर्जी जब आ सकता था, जब जा सकता था, but even then he was not doing anything wrong. And Anil was the most trusting person for him. That's why he was not doing anything wrong to him. But that time he was full of greed. Okay. So he was thinking about it, that how will I steal this money and all this. He was thinking about it. So Anil was asleep. When he moved to Anil's room, he was asleep. वो सोया हुआ था. And now the thief Hari Singh sat up on the floor. Now he was examining the situation. Okay, so he was thinking that if I took the money right now, and I could catch the train at 10:30, and the train was express to Lucknow. So he came out from the blanket and he moved to the bed. Anil was sleeping, still sleeping peacefully. And then, his hand was under the mattress. Hari Singh's hand was under the mattress. He was searching for the notes. And when he found them, he drew them out without making a sound. So now he was on the road. He began to run. उसने दौड़ना शुरू कर दिया because he wanted to, reach at the platform fast, at the railway station fast. And he put the notes at his waist, held there by the string of the pajamas. Pajamas में जो string होता है, उसमें tie कर दिए थे उनको. So he stopped and he counted the money, and the sum was 600 rupees, and the notes were of 50s. Okay. So we will see now what happened then. He reached the station. Okay, and he did not stop at the ticket counter, because that he was a thief. That's why he was not in this habit. That's why he was directly to the platform. And the Lucknow Express, the train, was just moving out. वो बस निकल ही रही थी वहाँ से. ठीक है? So the train was about to take the speed up, and he should have been able to jump into one of any coaches, but he hesitated, and he doesn't know that what was the reason for it. He could not explain it, but even then he hesitated. He stopped, and he lost the chance to get away. Means he lost this chance. वो नहीं चढ़ पाया train में. Now the train had gone, and he was standing alone on the platform. He had no idea that where to go, where to spend the night, because we know that he didn't have any friend in that city, no relatives, no one. Only one friend he had, and he was Anil, but he had robbed him. So how will he go there? कैसे जाएगा वो वहाँ पर? So now he was thinking all this. Now he is telling one more thing here, that in my career I have, I had a good study of face expressions of different kind of people. Now he is telling that. Okay, so he is telling that when a greedy man lost their money, they show fear. And when rich man lost their money, they show anger. And when the poor man does so, they show acceptance. मतलब ये accept कर लेते हैं. But he was thinking of Anil's expressions, that what will he do after, when he would come to know about the loss of the money. So he thought that, he will break down for the loss of trust. क्योंकि उसका trust टूट गया है, इसलिए he will break down. वो टूट जाएगा बिल्कुल. Now the thief, Hari Singh, was in the Maidan, and he sat down on a bench. The night was chilly, means it was cold. Actually, it was early November, that's why. And soon it was raining there heavily, and he was totally wet. Now he went back to the bazaar, and he was finding the shelter to sit in. So he found the shelter of the clock tower. Clock tower के नीचे बैठ जाता है. So it was the time of midnight, and then he just felt the notes. They were also wet from the rain. So now he was thinking about Anil's money, that if I would not have stolen the money, he would have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I have taken all this money, and I could not cook his meals. मैंने उसके लिए meal भी नहीं बनाया, and I could not run to the bazaar or learn to write whole sentences anymore. मतलब मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर पाया. because in the excitement he had forgotten everything. कुछ सब कुछ भूल चुका था वो. So now he was thinking that what to do next. So finally, after a long discussion in his mind, he decided to go back to Anil. And he told himself that I will learn to read and write. That's why I should go back to Anil. So he hurried back. बहुत जल्दी करता है, तेजी करता है. He went to the room and he was feeling very nervous. Because it is very easier to steal something. कुछ चुराना बहुत easy होता है. But to put that thing on that place is very tough. Means returning is very tough. Okay. Then he opened the door and he moved to the room, and then he kept the money under the mattress. Okay. And next day, means next morning, he woke up late. बहुत late उठता है. And he found that Anil had already made the tea. Otherwise, it was his duty. It was Hari Singh's duty to make the tea in the morning. But that day, Anil already made it. And Anil stretched out his hands toward me. Means उसके तरफ हाथ लाता है अपना Anil. There was a 50 rupees note between his fingers. Means he was carrying a note of 50. And at this, the thief was surprised. His heart sank. And then Anil told that I made some money yesterday. So you will be paid regularly. Now तुमको अब रोज पैसे दिए जाएंगे. Means तुमको अब payment किया जाएगा. Now the thief was very happy. And when he took the note, he felt that it was still wet. Actually, Anil knew everything. He knew what happened last night, but even then he did not say a single word. He did not utter a single word. So at this, the thief gave smile, and this smile was by itself. It was by itself. Okay, without any effort. He did not effort for it. So it came by itself. So this was the chapter. This was Thief's Story by Ruskin Bond. I hope you understood very well. Thank you.